everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these absolutely wonderful pot and pan handle covers. These little covers are amazing for keeping your hands burn free while you're cooking, and this project works up really fast and is as simple as can be. I've made a ton of these for my kitchen, and my friends and family love them too. But before we get started, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the great tutorials in the future. For this project, you're going to need 2 skeins of 100% cotton or some other natural fiber. Do not use acrylic because it will melt. So you're going to need 2 of those, and you're going to need a, let me see if I can get it up, 5.5 eye hook. So I'm going to use the one with the cover because it's more comfortable. To start this, you just make your slip knot and chain 2. Then you're going to put 6 stitches in your first chain. Single crochets, I should say. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now you have 6 single crochets in your first chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're not going to slip stitch the end of this, you're just going to work this in rounds, and you're going to put 2 in each stitch this time around. So sometimes it's a little hard to get it in that first stitch, but just work at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a little bit more yarn, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now that's about as big a round as you're going to want the end of your handle to be. So we're not going to increase anymore after this. You're just going to work yourself around in spirals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So that makes your first row around. Then you can pop it back out. Now I like to mark mine. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I do. It just helps me keep track of, how many rounds I've done and make sure that it's all even. So I just slip it in that first right there, and then I don't have to worry about it anymore. So you don't really have to count anymore. Just make sure you're getting a stitch in, in each crochet, and go on up. I don't really count how many rows I do. I just kind of measure it up to one I've already made that I know fits on my skillet handle, and go from there. So let's do another row. One, two, and 12. I'm going to come around back to my stitch marker so I know that's a completed round. Now from here on out I'm just going to finish it up, and then I can show you how to finish it off. Oops. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm just going to finish up until I match up with my stitch marker. So 3 more stitches to go. Okay, now from here I just like to make a simple, slip stitch around the top, kind of give it a little bit, more of a sturdy edge. You guys can do whatever you like. You can, add a loop or do a crab stitch or something. But I like to just keep it simple because these are used every day with, cast iron skillet, and they get greasy and gotta wash them a lot. So I just slip stitch around the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't quite get that one just right. Let's try again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then you can go in one more time if you want to make sure it's like real super secure. Or you just do it off there, and I just cut off. And then sew in the ends. And there you go. It's perfect on your cast iron pot or pan. And no more burnt fingers, which is great. Alright guys, I want to say thanks for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and put on your notifications so that you can see all of our tutorials in the future. And if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll do my best to answer everybody as soon as I can. Until then, hope to see you next time, and happy crocheting. Bye.